Vijay.
So yes, Vijay, first of all, I would like to welcome you to the platform of MargDarshan and in Abhiyan batch especially. So विजय आप कौन से बैकग्राउंड से है?
Mechanical engineering.
Mechanical engineering, right? So why did you choose mechanical engineering as there were many streams, computer science and IT, the growing field currently, CS and IT. So why did you choose mechanical as your stream?
Sir, I'm not very much familiar with computer since my early age. That's why choose mechanical engineering.
That's good. So why you were familiar with mechanical engineering then?
I मेरे को शुरुआत से सर इंटरेस्ट था इंजीनियरिंग मैकेनिक्स वगैरह में, और इंजीनियरिंग मैकेनिक्स बड़ा इंटरेस्ट था मेरे को 11th में ही, तो वही सर उसको फर्दर क्लासीफाई कर रखा है डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट में इन मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग में, इसी सर मैंने इसको चूज किया.
चलो बढ़िया है, बढ़िया. So okay, fine. So तुमने मैकेनिक्स बोला, fine. So can you tell me what are the different type of friction?
हाँ सर, there is a friction between two solid body when there is a relative motion exists, and when fluid is set in motion, there is exist of viscous between the adjacent layer.
No, we are not into fluid. We are just solid. We are talking about mechanics pure. So, engineering mechanics, I can say.
What is
What
a
are the
friction?
different type of friction?
Yes.
There are two type of friction.
Solid, dry or wet.
I mean, not exactly. There is thing called static friction, relative friction.
Static or kinetic friction.
Correct. So let's say you are riding a bicycle, and you are going ahead because of friction, right?
Yes sir.
So and wheel is rotating. So which type of friction is it?
Sir, static friction sir.
Why static?
सर अगर हम मान चले सर, अगर प्योर रोलिंग हो रहा है, कोई स्लाइडिंग नहीं हो रही है, तो जो सोचा कॉन्टैक्ट पॉइंट होता है सर, कॉन्टैक्ट पॉइंट, तो वो पॉइंट सर स्टेशनरी रहता है, उसके बाद पूरा हम अज्यूम कर सकते हैं उसके बाद पूरा व्हील रोटेट कर रहा है.
Correct. And let's say you apply a sudden brake now.
Then there सर स्कीडिंग होगा सर.
Correct.
स्कीडिंग होगा सर.
And which type of friction is that?
So kinetic sir.
Correct. And usually which friction has higher coefficient of friction?
Sir, static sir.
Correct. Why do we have friction between two surfaces?
Sir, because sir, when we go into the दो सरफेसेस जो एक दूसरे कांटेक्ट में है सर, अगर हम मॉलिक्यूलर लेवल में देखते हैं तो उनके बीच में इंटरलॉकिंग होती है, क्योंकि जो सरफेस रफनेस होता है सर, इसका मेन रीजन है सरफेस रफनेस.
करेक्ट. जय सर.
सो विजय, आपने जो प्रोफाइल अभी बैकग्राउंड लगा रखा है, बैकड्रॉप लगा रखा है, उसमें वाटर दिख रहा है, राइट? फ्लूइड दिख रहा है. What is fluid and how many types of fluids are there? What is a fluid?
Sir, I would like to start by defining fluid, sir. Sir, a fluid is a substance which undergoes continuous plastic deformation under the applied shear stress, no matter how small it is.
How many types of fluids are there?
Sir, we can broadly classify into ideal fluid or real fluid, sir.
What is the difference?
Sir, ideal fluid is hypothetical, just to make analysis easier. It has characteristics like zero viscosity, zero surface tension, zero compressibility. On the other hand, when it comes to real fluid, it possesses viscosity, it has characteristic of compressibility and surface tension.
Correct. Why do we have viscosity in fluids?
Sir, एक बार प्लीज सर रिपीट कर दीजिए क्वेश्चन दोबारा.
Why do we have viscosity in fluids? Just like I asked, why do we have friction between two surfaces?
सर, जब हम बात करेंगे लिक्विड की सर, लिक्विड केस में इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर कोहेशन इसका रीजन होता है सर, कोहेशन इज द रीजन. और गैस के केस में सर मॉलिक्यूलर मोमेंटम एक्सचेंज इज रीजन फॉर विस्कस.
Okay, fine. So you know about capillary force?
Capillary force. Yes, sir.
Why do we have capillary force? I mean, capillary force is not the very correct word here. Which type of force is that?
Sir, adhesion. Adhesion or cohesion is a property of fluid
Correct?
which causes capillarity effect.
Correct. And there is one more thing. You are right. Let's talk about adhesion maybe. Yes. So why do we have, what generates adhesion, or what is the effect of adhesion?
Sir, when a molecules, when a fluid, when it is in contact with a solid surface, when adhesion dominates cohesion, when adhesion dominates cohesion, there is a capillarity rise.
Right.
When cohesion dominates then adhesion, there is a capillarity dip.
Can you give me some example where the capillary dip happens?
So we can take example of mercury in a glass.
Correct. So in that case, we have capillary depression. Correct. So, so I was actually expecting surface tension as a word there. You know, the adhesion is actually kind of surface tension. When
Yes, sir.
we are talking about only one fluid, in case there is a combination like glass and water, then we have adhesion.
Yes,
That
sir.
is correct. So in the background of yours, you have a river,
Yes, sir.
and in case you want to calculate what is the flow rate of that river, how would you calculate?
Flow rate.
I want to know what is volume flow rate of that river. Can you give me some, some methodology? It doesn't need to be very correct, but still.
सर या एट कोई मैं कोई एक सेक्शन कंसीडर कर लूँ
Mm-hmm.
और वहां से पर सेकंड कितना वाटर फ्लो हो रहा है बाय सम मीन एबल टू मेजर, तो सर मैं फ्लो रेट निकाल सकता हूँ.
And you will need area as well, right? How can you calculate without area?
जैसे सर वेंचुरीमीटर है सर, अगर मैं वेंचुरीमीटर की हेल्प से हम कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं.
Yes, so river flow में वेंचुरीमीटर यूज
नहीं नहीं सर,
करोगे क्या?
नहीं 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 सर, वो इंडस्ट्री एप्लीकेशन के लिए सर.
Right. You know what is rotameter?
सर इट्स फ्लो मेजरिंग डिवाइस सर.
Correct. And how does it work? Do you know the principle, or how does it work?
सर वर्टेक्स मोशन सर.
Okay, fine. It's usually a kind of a gravity based actually rotameter. We have a flow rate, and that water flow exerts some upward force on that rotameter. That I don't know what it is called exactly. That leveling thing. And float. Correct. That float, and that's why the rotameter gives out a reading. But yes, you are in correct direction. Great. Yes, sir.
Yes. So Vijay,
Yes sir.
what is friction factor?
Friction factor, sir. When we want to calculate the friction losses, we use Darcy-Weisbach equation.
What is the Darcy-Weisbach equation?
FL v square by 2GD. FL v square by 2GD. Here जो F पैरामीटर है सर, ये फ्रिक्शन फैक्टर सर.
That is equals FL v square upon 2GD equals
हेड लॉस सर ड्यू टू फ्रिक्शन.
head loss due to friction. Who will say that? Okay. No issues. Okay. So
what are assumptions for Darcy-Weisbach equation?
Sir, flows would be steady sir.
Okay, and
Diameter should be of uniform prismatic diameter of uniform cross section.
correct. Okay, and we also need to have a Newtonian fluid.
Yes sir.
Because we are using the Newton's law of viscosity there.
Okay sir.
okay,
Correct.
Vijay, draw the profile. Draw the profile in case of flat plate of velocity as well as shear stress. Draw the velocity profile and shear stress profile in case of flat plate.
Flat plate. Okay sir.
Yeah, it's a flow or a flat plate.
For a flat plate. सर
तुम गायब ही हो गए।
नहीं सर, वो पता नहीं कि सर प्रॉब्लम है शायद सर नेट का, इसलिए सर।
ठीक है,
मैंने कैमरा ऑन किया पर ऑन ही नहीं हो रहा है।
फिर से ऑफ करके ऑन कर दो, चलो।
ठीक है सर। सर 2 मिनट दोबारा ज्वाइन करूँ सर? हो नहीं रहा, एक बार दोबारा ज्वाइन कर लूँ मैं सर?
यस यस।
चले, रिकॉर्डिंग स्टॉप कर दीजिए।